Hello and welcome to Clat Possible. Today we will be discussing about this legal drama that has been unfolded because of a political drama of Maharashtra, which has finally ended because of a unanimous decision of the Supreme Court. The constitutional bench has made wonderful remarks and it has led us to understand even better the role of a governor, the role of a speaker of a legislative assembly, the role of a whip of a party. So let's try and understand a little bit about it. Now, the very first thing is that the court observed that the speaker has the right to disqualification to decide upon the disqualification as given under the constitution, the 10th schedule. And the court observed that there were no extraordinary circumstances which warranted the court to interfere in this matter. The court also said that in case any MLA, there is a petition with respect to the disqualification of any MLA and it is pending as of now, such an MLA still has the right to participate in the proceedings of the House. Secondly, that the Speaker must consider Shiv Sena constitution. In the current case, there was a split in Shiv Sena. One faction is headed by Uddhav Thackeray and the second is headed by Eknath Shinde. And so, in order to recognize which is a political party, it is not enough to just see that which faction's members are a part of the legislature right now. You see, the structure of leadership outside the legislative assembly is also a pertinent point. Thirdly, that the then governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari did not act according to the law. So you all understand that there are certain provisions in the constitution that give the authority to a governor to use his own constitutional discretionary power. In the rest of it, the governor must act in accordance with the aid and advice of the Chief Minister and the Council of Ministers. And in case he doesn't, such a situation has to be extraordinary in nature. Now, in the present case, when there was a split in Shiv Sena, there was no circumstance which warranted the governor, Bhagat Singh Koshyari, to ask the CM, Uddhav Thackeray, to come for a floor test or a trust vote or to gain a vote of confidence because, he hadn't lost the confidence of the House itself. Thirdly, even though Bhagat Singh Koshyari, whatever he did was incorrect, the Supreme Court held that they cannot reinstate Uddhav Thackeray's government. Why? Because he resigned voluntarily. If he wouldn't have resigned, it would have been a bone of contention and something could have been done about it. But he did not face the floor test and he just resigned voluntarily, I must ask, in protest. And so hence, the Supreme Court can't do much about it. Next, the appointment of whip from Shinde group is also illegal. So you see, when this entire drama was unfolding, this rebellion was happening in Shiv Sena, the party chief whip, Sunil Prabhu, he ordered a whip and he asked, all the MLAs to attend a meeting in Uddhav Thackeray's residence. And so, the entire group, they passed a resolution that they will remove Eknath Shinde as the group of the party's legislative department or the group leader of the legislative party. Now then, what they did was that Eknath Shinde then made another resolution. They removed Prabhu as the whip and they appointed Bharat Gogawala as in his place. And after assuming office, the Speaker of Maharashtra Legislative Assembly, Rahul Narvekar, he basically recognized Bharat Gogawale as the party chief. The Supreme Court said that the Speaker did not even try to identify which of the two people are actually representing the political party because the chief is of the political party, correct? And so they said that the Speaker should have undertaken an independent inquiry based on the rules of the party. And so hence they said that recognition of Bharat Gogawale as the chief whip is illegal and it has not been verified whether it was in fact the decision of a political party. And that is another case altogether that they have not even been able to identify which one is the actual political party. Legislature party, political party are completely distinct. And so the Speaker must recognize only the whip and the leader who are duly recognized by the political party. Now, Speaker and Election Commission can adjudicate issues concurrently. You see, Uddhav Thackeray's group's contention was that the Election Commission is barred from recognizing which faction should get the political symbol. Why? Because the Speaker has not disqualified the certain amount of legislators who have in fact defected or allegedly defected. So the court says that nothing doing, we are not accepting this condition. That the Speaker and the ECI, they can adjudicate issues concurrently. It is not as if that the Speaker has to first disqualify somebody under the 10th schedule and only then can the ECI decide whether the political party symbol belongs to Uddhav Thackeray's faction or Eknath Shinde's faction. And lastly, the referral of Nabam Rebia case to a larger bench. Very, very important. So this was a 2016 judgment. And in this particular judgment, the Supreme Court had basically ruled that it would be constitutionally impermissible for a Speaker of the House to adjudicate under the 10th schedule as while a motion of resolution for his or her own removal is pending. So you see, if there is a motion or there is a resolution for the removal of the Speaker, that Speaker is not able to decide under the 10th schedule. And the constitutional bench has referred certain issues to a larger bench so as to take care of this particular case. Thank you very much for watching us, and we will keep bringing you such informative videos. Kindly like, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.